No, I very much favor a smaller commission. I think that a smaller commission in Washington County will be more effective, quite frankly, in making good business decisions. I think that that the people of this county, in their comments to me, have been overwhelmingly in support of a significantly smaller commission. And I think in regard to just good governance, professional governance, it's going to be a smaller commission will absolutely contribute to that. We do have the questions about the workload related to the commission. And quite frankly, I think that, again, that goes back to whether or not our commission understands their role. And it is important for them to know they are the legislative body. We have the executive branch of government that is responsible for day-to-day operations. And we need to ensure that the two branches of government are handling their respective roles and not interfering with each other.